How's it, everyone? Hope you guys had a lovely week and you're doing great in whatever you think you should be doing in life and progressing the way you want in every sphere that you're engaged in. So what we're going to do this week is we're going to analyze what happened last week, how did our analysis go, and what do we have in store in the coming week. That's always the way we go with our videos. Before I get into the charts, let me just take a few moments of yours to explain once again what I expect you to see on the charts and how you can use these charts to get the best results, the best value for what we see in this video. Like always, we will chart out three trajectories. The blue one, which is the one that's going to take us higher. The yellow one that is going to remain status quo and give us a range within which we will move in the week or in the coming days. And the red one that will take us down if the market is weak, and it'll give us markers and keep on giving us the next destination as we go further on whatever journey we decide to take. Remains the same. The most important decisions happen near the markers because that's where you see what the price is doing next. And that's where on a lower time frame, you try to find out what the price action is giving you. And that's the way you then chart out your journey to the next marker. It's very simple. Between the markers, don't trade. Trade at the beginning of the marker and see what the price action is giving you and trade just there. Now, it can be a little challenging to trade at these crossroads. The markers are called as crossroads, but then that's something that you need to learn, and that is a final point of it. And if you don't know how to trade that, you should always get in touch with me, and I can help you with that too. With that being said, let's go to our charts and see what's in store for us. So this is our Nifty futures chart, and we have these trajectories that we've already sorted out the last week around. And what I see from here is that we don't really need to change a lot on the last trajectories that we charted. Just to look at what happened in the last week is that we traded down into the red trajectory, but we found support at 24,994, and the first support found was at this level, which was, let me just mark it out. This is the first level of support that we got, which was 24,919. And then we took a bounce and we went higher up to 25,300. And then from there on, again, we have tracked back. And now we are somewhere around 24,990. So 25,000 is the ballpark figure which we are trying to get some support at. And this is what we're going to see. The moment we cross above this level of 25,183 or 184, we get into the yellow trajectory. And then this particular line, which is 25,550, becomes our destination. So we get a move from 25,180 odd, 25,200 odd to 25,550. That's a 350 point move. This is something that can happen if we begin to stay some period above this 25,185 level. So these are the markers on the charts, and nothing changes on this chart. I will not want to change it unless it is required to be changed. We have taken some trajectories based on the levels from the previous left-hand side on the chart, and these are the levels that I see. We always move from level to level, and these markers help you to decide what is going to be the next journey, as I keep on repeating myself. So this, as far as the Nifty is concerned, we pretty much were down to sideways in the last week. Let's go to BankNifty and see what the BankNifty gave us. This is the BankNifty chart, and the BankNifty also was a little bit on the yellow side of things. We did go lower, but we found support at this 51,000, 50,950 level, and we trade back up again. And yeah, I will have to give you the markers here. There you go. And then we have begun to take support at this level, which is the 51,400 odd level, and we've taken some good support. This is the 4-hour chart. For the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 4-hour periods, approximately 3 to 4 days, we've been just taking support at this 51,400 odd level. And if this breaks, our target will be 51,023, and then going lower, we could go to 49,070. We are at a crucial point here. Anything lower, below 51,400, and start thinking that 51,000 and 50,246 and 49,800 are coming in the coming week. And if we remain above this level of 51,430, we should be heading higher. So this is an important level. A breach would take us lower, and a sustenance or a price above 51,400 will keep us on the higher side of things, and then we should be targeting 51,900 and 52,450, and then maybe higher as we move into the blue trajectory. So these are the markers for the coming week. Nothing changes. It's been a sideways week. There's been not much movement in the markets, and we're in some consolidation, but it's important to note that this consolidation happened on the way down. So this consolidation could lead to more failure and more breakdowns. This is what my first premise is, because we haven't yet gone to the bottom of the last swing low. And in my assessment, we should be heading lower, and we should be trying to go towards 49,800 in the coming period. All of that only if we breach 51,430. So the first thing that we need to breach is 51,430. We breach that, and we start staying lower. We sustain 51,430. We have all the chances of going higher. Last week's analysis was in Hindi. This week's analysis is in English. I know it's a little difficult, but I'll just repeat myself in Hindi for the ones जिनको नहीं पता पड़ रहा है, इंग्लिश अच्छी तरह नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, तो हिंदी में भी मैं बता देता हूँ। 51,430 का जो लेवल है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल आया है इस वीक के ट्रेडिंग में, और वहां से हमने काफी टाइम सपोर्ट लिया है। उससे अगर अपन ब्रीच करते हैं नीचे की तरफ तो 50,240, 51,000 पहले, फिर 50,250, और फिर 50,000 के नीचे 39,800 का लेवल हम देख सकते हैं आने वाले दिनों में। अगर हम 51,430 के ऊपर रहते हैं तो हम ऊपर का लेवल देखेंगे 51,900, और फिर 52,450, और फिर हो सकता है अगर हमने 52,450 क्रॉस किया ऊपर की तरफ तो फिर हम और ऊपर की तरफ जा सकते हैं। ये था हिंदी में विश्लेषण बैंक निफ्टी का। निफ्टी का भी जल्दी से दे देता हूँ। ये जो लेवल है 24,990, मतलब 25,000 का लेवल एक अच्छे सपोर्ट का काम कर रहा है। उससे अगर हम नीचे उतरे तो हम 24,800 और 24,550 का रूप देखेंगे। अगर हम इसके ऊपर रहे तो हमें पहला पड़ाव मिलना चाहिए 25,180, 190 का, और फिर उसके बाद हमें ऊपर की राह दिखनी चाहिए 25,300, 25,400 और 25,550। ये सब इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल्स हैं, इसका स्क्रीनशॉट लीजिए एंड ट्रेड अकॉर्डिंग टू दीज लेवल्स। आई एम टेलिंग यू गाइस, यू विल मेक मनी गिवन दीज लेवल्स। द मार्केट कैन नॉट गो एनीवेयर, और वो बीच में आप ट्रेड मत कीजिए। ट्रेड एट द लेवल्स एंड रीड द चार्ट्स ऑन अ स्मॉलर टाइम फ्रेम, और उसमें देखिए क्या प्राइस एक्शन मिल रहा है उस पर्टिकुलर लेवल के ऊपर। वहां से आपको पता पड़ जाएगा बाउंस मिल रहा है कि क्या मिल रहा है। और मार्केट में आपको 200-300 पॉइंट के लिए अगर खेलना है इंट्राडे स्कैल्पिंग, तो 60-70 पॉइंट में भी लोग काफी पैसा कमा लेते हैं। इसी तरीके से ट्रेडिंग कीजिए, पैसा बनाइए, और हाँ जरूर इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, और इस चार्ट को आप शेयर कीजिए, लाइक जरूर दीजिए, और कमेंट। बस कमेंट में आप लोग बहुत कंजूसी करते हैं, एक कमेंट नहीं मिलता मुझे। देखिए वीडियो बनाने में काफी मेहनत लगती है, और अगर आप कमेंट नहीं देंगे तो मुझे एनकरेजमेंट मिलता नहीं है। मैं तो मेरा काम कर रहा हूँ, मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता आप कमेंट दें नहीं दें, मैं मेरा काम करते रहूंगा और मैं निरंतर करते ही रहता हूँ। लेकिन एक कमेंट से मुझे और एनकरेजमेंट मिलता है, और यूट्यूब का एल्गोरिथम है, अगर आपके कमेंट आते हैं, आपके लाइक आते हैं, आप वीडियो शेयर करते हो तो सब्सक्रिप्शन बढ़ते हैं और लोगों की मदद होती है। मैं आपसे और तो कुछ पैसा मांग नहीं रहा हूँ, कुछ भी चीज नहीं मांग रहा, सिर्फ आपका सहयोग मांग रहा हूँ, आपका सपोर्ट मांग रहा हूँ, और मैं निष्कर्ष काम किए जा रहा हूँ। मैं आई डोंट एक्सपेक्ट एनीथिंग और वेल एनी ऑफ दीज। आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू at everyone so that they can take advantage of it, they can take the value from it. I'm making value from it, so I know everybody can make value from it. Yes, you need to trust it, and you trust it only if you see me again and again and again and again. और आप जितनी बार मुझे देखेंगे, मुंह आपको दिखेगा, आप कन्विंस होंगे, तो मैं तो आते ही रहूंगा। लेकिन हाँ, ये ज्यादा लोगों तक पहुंचने के लिए एक लाइक, एक सब्सक्राइब और एक शेयर, सिर्फ इतना, और कमेंट जरूर। अगर आपने कुछ पैसा कमाया, आपको कुछ फायदा हुआ, कमेंट कीजिए। और क्या मांग रहा हूँ मैं, कुछ नहीं। Signing off, and we'll meet you in the next week. Goodbye and good luck.